So over here, you can see that I have a contact sheet right here. I can go around onto Windows and then onto Workspace and then go to output mode right here. Go around onto output mode right here as well. And then this is what you have. As you can see, you get the contact sheet. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and then work around with the contact sheet grid and margin as well, according to how you want. So I have this 2x2 cell right here just like this. I can go for 5x4 right here just like this as well to get more images. And now what you can do is you can go to the grid and margin section right here. So once you go ahead and do that, you can see that I can change around the column right here just like this as well. So I can have 2 columns, and let's say I have more rows or less rows. And you can also go ahead and type this in, as you can see, just like this. Then you get the column and rows according to how you want. Similarly, you can change around the spacing of the cell as well. So you can make it just close it, or you can change around the verticals right here to go around and increase and decrease this out. You can change around the cell size as well, so by changing around the width right here just like this, and change around the height as well, or utilize auto spacing right here as you go ahead and change around the columns right here just like this. So apart from that, you can change around the top margin, the bottom margin, the left margin, and the right margin just by clicking and dragging. You can also go around and lock them together, and then what happens is that it'll uniformly change out the top and bottom margin. Similarly, you can lock this out as well and change around the left and right margin together. You can also go around and add in, let's say for example, data in centimeters right here directly just like that as well. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with contact sheet, grid and margin settings inside of Adobe Bridge to get the image as you like. So you have this right here. You can show the guides or hide the guides as well. And then this is the output that you get, as you can see, just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.